Two 12-year-old boys charged with murder of a 19-year-old in England. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Two 12-year-old boys have been arrested on suspicion of murder after a 19-year-old man was stabbed to death in Wolverhampton on Monday, West Midland police have said. Shawn Seesahai died after being stabbed shortly after 8:30 p.m. on Monday in an open field near a primary school in the east of the city. The police said that two 12-year-old boys had been arrested on Tuesday night from their home addresses on suspicion of murder and remain in custody. Detective Chief Inspector Dave Saunders from the Force Homicide Team said that our thoughts remain with Shawn's family, who have been fully updated with the latest development. Our investigation is moving at pace, and we continue to encourage everyone with information to contact us. West Midland Police said that the victim's family is being supported by specialist officers and that they have increased dedicated patrols in the area. It is reported that emergency services were called to an open lawn off Lamburnham Road in Wolverhampton shortly after 8:30 p.m. on Monday, but despite the effort of the paramedics, Seesahai died at the scene. West Midland Ambulance Service said that it was called to the scene at around 8:41 p.m. and sent a number of vehicles, the first of which arrived within 3 minutes after the call. Pat McFadden, the MP for Wolverhampton South East, said that the incident was devastating and her thoughts are with the victim's family and friends. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come in the later newscast. Thanks for watching.